And it is snowing yet again. Welcome everyone. So, Super Bowl Sunday, another storm. I got everything mostly cleaned up. Just gonna do the top of my vehicle. Didn't want to really show a lot of the shoveling because I've already done that a couple times, so you know. But hopefully I'll get into something before I head down to my Super Bowl party. So come check it. And the snowbanks are quite big here at Market Basket. Just stopping to get a couple items before the big game. Also, it is the opposite of packed. So remember to go food shopping. All those spaces all empty. So remember to go food shopping on Super Bowl Sunday. Like, it's about 5 o'clock right now. Probably a good time. Hopefully I get there before kickoff. I'm sure I will. Wanted to get the bridge a shot. So this game is going pretty good so far for Philly. Hey Trooper, you enjoying the Super Bowl? No? Thirsty? How about you, Maze? You like the camera? Don't bite me or scratch me.
Well, I said that was gonna happen.
And the Eagles won. So I wore my green not in vain. I might as well just end it. It's not a very long video. It's probably going to be like one of the shortest videos I ever posted, but whatever. I got to be consistent. Consistency, that's the key. Thank you all for watching this very short video. It wasn't very much filled with anything. But hit that subscribe button if you're new. And I'll see you next time. Probably, hopefully, a little more content involved. Peace.